Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Taurus, guys, from year 2013 to year 2019. If you need to remove or replace key fob battery, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. Two things that you need to do to make sure you don't cause damage to the key fob when you put it together, so make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, absolutely free. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you need to buy new key fob, battery, tools, parts, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So what we need to do, guys, this is the key. Now if you have a different options, you may have a little bit of a different layout, but if you have a key that looks similar to that, the procedure will be probably similar as well. So right here there is one thing that you slide out, and while you keep it out, you grab with your nail the key and you pull it out. This is the physical key. One, guys, advice, make sure that it's cut. When you buy a vehicle used, sometimes they may program a spare key, but they will not cut it, and if your car battery dies, you will have a hard time opening your car, even though we have a video that explains how to open hood that is stuck on a Ford. That way you can jump start it and unlock it. But what you need to do now, we get a small plastic prying tool, and right here we're going to go where the key is, go in an angle. Okay, just pry. You'll come out, flip it. That's where the battery is, that's where the circuit board is. My advice, clean where the two contact each other, because it may be contaminated with dust, fuzzies from your pockets, things like that, guys. Another thing, make sure the circuit board later is installed in the two pins here, and when you put it together, don't push on the underneath, because it will push it out. Check it out, and you will not be able to lock the key correctly and you may damage it. Here now, the battery comes out on this side. You pry on this side, it comes up on here, pull it out later. Okay, let me see to see where the spare battery went. Give me just a second. Okay, right here, and go in an angle. Okay, the negative side should be up, and push down. Don't push on this side, push down on this side, because here you have the spring that contact. Now you have to close everything correctly. Don't hold underneath, just around the frame. Okay, locked in place. Push the key in and you're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.